Acting on prompt action, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force of Shillong Police apprehended a suspected drug peddler and seized a substantial quantity of ganja during an operation near Iew Polo or Polo Bazaar on Friday. The accused has been identified as one Nijimu Fitu, 24 years, a resident of Kunuzo Colony, Kohima Sardar District, Nagaland. East Khasiel Superintendent of Police Vivek Aim informed that police personnel recovered an unattended bag at around 2 p.m. near Iew Polo. Subsequently, Fitu appeared at the location and claimed ownership of the bag. Following established safety protocols, a bomb squad team was deployed to examine the bag and rule out any threat. Upon thorough inspection, multiple packets containing ganja were discovered inside the bags. The Anti-Narcotics Task Force was immediately notified and took over the proceedings. Authorities have confirmed that an investigation into the incident is ongoing.
Saya pun suka bergaduh kali habis. Này phần món này được. Này. Bạn là đơn video थोड़ा पीछे हम लोग ANT जी